Hey guys, so fun fact, I'm actually a business major. So today we're going to be doing best time to buy and sell stock. This question is currently being asked by Amazon, so let's get to it. What's up guys, so today we're doing best time to buy and sell stock. The problem description says, say you have an array for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day I. If you were only permitted to complete at most one transaction, design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. So just to understand the description, find max profit given only one transaction. And we're given one input. All that is an array of prices. So it's just a list of ints, and then we want to return, I'm going to call it max profit, maximum profit, given that you can only make one transaction. So the way that I'd want to approach this is essentially all I really need to keep track of is my minimum. So if I'm looking at this input here, I want to keep track of my minimum, and then pointer to minimum is I just want to keep track of my minimum and then see if I can find either a better minimum or I can find a better profit given my current minimum. So I have minimum and I have max profit. So right now my minimum is set to my first value. So my minimum is 7, my max profit is 0. So essentially I want to look at the next value in the list. Because it doesn't give me a higher max profit, I don't want to alter my max profit. But because it gives me a better minimum, I want to alter my minimum. Now I want to look at the next one. So if I look at 5, now 5 minus my minimum will give me a better max profit, so I want to update that. Then I keep walking forward. 3 minus my minimum gives me 2, so I don't want to do that. Then I go to 6. 6 minus 1 gives me 5. And then I go to 4. 4 minus 1 gives me 3. So I get a max profit of 5. That's what's done in this answer. So cool. I'm going to implement this approach. This approach should give me a time complexity of O of n because I have to pass through once through the array and a space complexity of O of 1. So just some quick error checking. If we don't have the array prices, we can just return 0. But actually, since I'm going to initialize my max profit to 0, then I actually don't even care. So my max profit equals 0, and then I want to set my min equal, and I'm just going to call this minimum equal to prices at 0. So now for I in prices, if I is less than minimum, minimum equals I, else max profit equals the max of max profit and the max of I minus my current minimum. So then I want to return my max profit at the end, and let's see, hopefully this should work. Okay, so we do need to do some error checking for this one case. So essentially, I'm going to set this equal to price at index 0 in the case that we have more than one element. So I'm just going to use a ternary operator to not have to use more lines. So minimum equals prices at 0 if len prices is greater than 0, else I just want to set this equal to 0, and now we should be good to run. So I hope that made sense. If you guys appreciated the video, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions you want me to do, please write in the comments below or write to me on Patreon. Thanks so much and have a good one. Peace.
I hear the siren. Shh, stop. Whoa, still, my 8 crack still slaps.